Hi guys, it's the Walk-In 00 Dead here on my British Anime Empire channel. Merry Christmas, it's time to unbox something. Now, this isn't like anime or manga, but it is technically like related to anime and manga. It is my very first New Era cap, and it's the Komi one, and you can get like Demon King, Piccolo, Goku, Tien. There's like Goku's like Gi. There's like One Piece ones as well. I've never had like a New Era hat. It's obviously my first one, and had to have it. I thought it was absolutely awesome. You got the 5950. Might be a bit too shiny to pick up. And then you've got like Shenron, the dragon, which looks absolutely awesome. And then inside you've got like Dragon Ball. It's upside down, but you know, it says Dragon Ball in there. So yeah, it looks pretty amazing. So it's just a quick little video, guys. Drop me a comment down below. What did you think of the New Era Dragon Ball Z Komi hat? And give us the thumbs up for Dragon Ball Z. Catch you next time, guys.